Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay, today I want to talk to you about how to create a private reminder for yourself on Google Calendars. So, who am I? I am sister_Sue, S-U. That's S as in Savior, not F like fire truck. You can find me on Twitter too. See down in the corner there, the Canadian flag. Click that, subscribe, and click the bell as well. Tell all your friends if you like what you see. I hope this will be helpful to you because this is a reminder to me. So anyway, I went on here today and I was going to create a reminder for myself that I have to make a phone call at a certain time on a certain day. And then I remembered, hey, I don't want this to go on all those public calendars that I've created for other websites. It's like, oh man, I better make sure that I write this only on my calendar. So here's what you do. When you look here, it's a little tricky. You don't see this bar to scroll down. It is not easily found. So you have to mouse towards the left and there will be a gray bar that shows up. Why they make it gray on white? Man, I don't know. Maybe if I turn off the light, it'll look different here. Let me see. This is what you call Dark Reader. If you haven't seen me talk about this before, it is a free app that turns everything from white to black. So, oh man, there it is. Light gray on black. I don't know if that's any better. As you can see, it does change things completely. And yeah, so now I'm in the dark. It's easier on the eyes. So you take the bar and you slide it down. It'd be nice if it were like bright pink or something like that. Hey, Google, I hope you hear me. So we go down to calendars. Now I want this to be on my tasks. So it's okay if it's on my sister Sue calendar. I think I'm going to take it off of that as well. I am just going to put it on my tasks. Now it will go on my tasks. I click create and call Joanne. So I have to call Joanne and I have to give her a call on May the 28th, and it is at 9 a.m. Slide this up here. Oh dear, slide down a little bit more. Choose the time. There we are. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Does not repeat. More options. So I can add guest permission, add location, notification. I can notify myself 30 minutes in advance. Or I think I'm going to days, and I'm going to make it to remind myself 2 days in advance. Add that notification. And maybe I'll give myself another reminder to wake me up that day. So I'm going to choose, so I get everything together, hours. So I would make that 2 hours ahead of time. Slide this down. And I can add a description here. Okay, that's extension. I can add the extension there. If I have a link to a website, things like that, I can do that. This is kind of personal, so I'm not going to go into that. I'm going to fill that out on my own later. And then I hit save. And it is now in my tasks. I'm going to change this from black to white. There, whoo! Whoa, that's bright. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you today. Remember that when you go to create an event, if you have multiple calendars, make sure you tick off the right calendar, or you're going to find some people are kind of ticked off at you. Have a great day. Remember to pray, because things do change that way. And I thank you for everyone that's been praying for me, because I did get a miracle today. So I was able to pay for one more day for where I'm staying. So keep on praying. Maybe you can find a job for me. That'd be great too. God bless you and keep you. His face shine on you and bring you peace.